So what we have here today is the RAV G7246 SpeedChanger 26 tire changer. This is a swing arm tire changer. It's got a 26-inch maximum outside clamping diameter. The jaws are adjustable. It has a helper arm with a roller and a bead depressor. It's 110 volts motor, so it has a single speed. All of the pedals are in the front, for your convenience, from your bead braking, jaws on and out, and even your inflator. Make sure that your assembly is deflated, and we're going to start by breaking the bead. Place my bead breaker right in between the wheel and the tire. We're going to turn it around and do the same thing on the back of the wheel. Rotate your wheel a little bit. Make sure that you break the entire bead, so when you're removing the tire, it's easier. Okay, so what we're going to do now is that I'm going to go ahead and open the jaws. So I'll go ahead and place my tire on there. I can feather my jaws in to make sure that all my jaws are positioned where they need to be. There we go. In this particular tire changer, because of the helps that I have, I can get this roller and place it right out here. It'll keep the bit of the tire down, and I'll go ahead and rotate the wheel, and I can lube the bit of the wheel and tire all the way around. Once it's done, I'll just simply remove the roller. All right, so now what we're gonna do, bring our swing arm right against the wheel, make sure that it's touching in place, and the tool is positioned all the way against the wheel. Once we lock it in place, the locking mechanism will recess the tool from the wheel, so that way it's not touching it all the time. You wanna make sure that you also adjust this screw here, and this is where the arm should rest whenever it comes in contact close to the wheel, so that way whenever you have the tire over the demount tool, it's not putting pressure against your wheel. What we're gonna do now is we're just gonna get our tire tool and bring the bit of the tire over the demount tool, place it right there, and we're just gonna rotate. Okay, we're gonna use this roller to help us take the bottom bit off of this wheel. With this remote, I'm gonna be putting pressure on it. So you want to be able to see a little bit of a gap there. Once you see that, all you have to do is just rotate the wheel. Now our tire is ready to come off of the wheel. Once you get your new tire and it's ready to go back onto the wheel, we're going to start by lubing both bits of the tire. So we're going to position our tire right here on the wheel about a 45-degree angle or so. Then we're going to bring our swing arm in, place it right against the tire, and then we're just going to rotate, bring everything in. If you're working with an assembly that has a TPMS sensor, it's always going to be going in front of the bead coming into the drop center of the wheel. So here I could use my bead depressor to help me keep the bit of the tire down and in place, just like that. I'm gonna rotate. I can always reposition my bead depressor, and this will help us get the bit of tire in. Once the tire is been installed onto the wheel, you simply remove your bead depressor from the tire, remove your tool, and that's how easy you can dismount and mount a tire using the RAV G7246 SpeedChanger 26.